Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Kubectl, Oskly, and Terraform are configured with the right AWS profile. Once done, export and snapshot your Terraform state and kubeconfig so you can roll back. Next, update your variables to the target EKS control plane version and node AMI. This ensures compatibility. Run Terraform init to refresh providers, then Terraform plan to see precise changes. Make sure to review drift and dependent resources before you apply any upgrades. You apply the control plane upgrade first so the cluster API supports the new behavior. Update the EKS module and set the cluster version variable, then run Terraform apply targeting the cluster. Once the control plane is healthy, handle node groups one at a time. Cordon and drain a node, Terraform apply to update its launch template or AMI, and uncordon after pods return. Make sure to watch node taints, kube proxy, and CNI compatibilities. If you have managed node groups, use the rolling update flags. You finish by validating the cluster. Check Kubectl get nodes, describe any failed pods, and confirm system pods like coreddons and kube proxy are stable. Then run Terraform state RM for obsolete resources, Terraform refresh, and commit the updated lock file. If something goes wrong, prioritize pod logs and kubelet output on the failing node, then inspect Terraform error messages. These tell you whether it's an AWS API limitation, AMI mismatch, or CNI incompatibility. If needed, revert to your saved state and reapply fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.